I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the exact YouTube URL and deciding where the link will live. Open the video, tap share and copy the link. Once done, choose description, comment, card, or end screen. If you need a specific moment, add a timestamp like t=90 or append UTM parameters for tracking. Make sure you have channel permissions to edit the chosen area. This quick prep saves time and avoids re-editing later when you reach the posting steps. Now you actually insert the link where you decided. Open the description editor, comment composer, or end screen/card editor and paste the URL. Once pasted, write concise anchor text or context so viewers know what they'll get. If space is tight, use a URL shortener but keep retention of params. Make sure timestamp fragments remain intact. Preview the video and test the link on both desktop and mobile to finish by saving and publishing your change, then verify the link works live. Open the public video, click the link from the chosen placement, and confirm it opens and, if applicable, jumps to the timestamp. Once posted, monitor YouTube Analytics or UTM data to measure engagement and adjust wording if click-through is low. If the link fails, check that you have published permissions, that parameters survived shortening, and that no browser blockers or privacy settings are preventing redirects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.